How to schedule a Zoom meeting. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Zoom application. And after that, just register or log in with your existing Zoom account. In which from the home page of Zoom, you can see a variety of options that you can choose, such as New Meeting, Join, Schedule, and Share Screen. And since we're about to schedule a meeting, kindly click the Schedule. And by doing so, it will lead you in here, in which you can customize the details of your scheduled meeting, starting from its title. Let's say I'm going to set a schedule for a meeting tomorrow. So I'm going to put this tomorrow meeting. And next is to set the date that you want to schedule your meeting, in which you can also change the year if you want to schedule a meeting for the next year. And since tomorrow is March 26, I'm gonna set the date to March 26. And after that, you can also customize the starting time what time you want your meeting to start. So let's say I'm gonna set the meeting for tomorrow at exactly 9 in the morning. And after that, just click Set. And after that, you will also need to customize the time when you want the meeting to end. So I'm going to set the ending time at exactly 12:30 p.m. and just click on Set. And also, you can change the time zone if the person that you're meeting in has different kind of time zone. In addition, you can also set to make this schedule as a repetition by clicking on Repeat, in which it will give you the option None, every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or even every year. Plus, you can also turn on your personal meeting ID by clicking on Use Personal Meeting ID. And below, you will see under the security the passcode of your meeting. And under the meeting options, you can also host the video by turning on the host video on, or even the participant video. And after customizing all the details, you can click Done to proceed scheduling the meeting. And after that, just wait for it to load and you will see that you've now successfully scheduled a meeting on Zoom with all the details that you customize. So that is just how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Thank you.